Welcome to today's topic, a gem in the world of digital currencies, Bitcoin. Imagine a world where money isn't controlled by any central bank or government. That's the world of Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency, also known as electronic cash. It operates on its own accord, without a single overseer. Picture a vast network of peers where transactions take place directly between users, no middlemen involved. Bitcoin, a revolutionary currency, is changing the financial world as we know it. Now, you may wonder, how does this digital currency work? Well, let's dive in. Bitcoin operates on a technology known as blockchain. Imagine a chain of blocks, each block carrying a list of transactions. Now, this isn't your regular ledger. It's distributed across the globe on thousands of computers, called nodes. Each transaction made with Bitcoin is sent out to this sprawling network of nodes. These nodes then use cryptography, a form of advanced code breaking, to verify the transaction. Once verified, the transaction is added to a block. When a block is filled with transactions, it's added to the blockchain. But what about new Bitcoins? Where do they come from? This is where mining comes into play. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. The first to solve the problem gets to add a new block to the blockchain, and as a reward, they receive a certain number of new Bitcoins. In essence, Bitcoin offers an innovative way of making transactions, with its decentralized nature and the use of advanced technology. Now that you know what Bitcoin is and how it operates, the world of cryptocurrency is at your fingertips. Bitcoin, with its immense potential, could be a game changer for your investment portfolio. However, remember, it's not without its risks. The market's volatility is as legendary as its returns. So, tread wisely and consider your financial comfort zone. Are you ready to start your investment journey with Bitcoin? If you enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to comment below about your thoughts on Bitcoin. Until next time, happy investing.